Hello, I'm Ford Merson, and today I'll showcase the ports that I built. Let's find out what happens next. Before you watch, please subscribe and like. The locomotive in front of us is Chesoco 4404. Let's go check out the driver's cab. Upon entering, you'll immediately see the driver's cabin. The locomotive's driver's cabin has screens and various control panels. Let's go check out the engine room. Let me tell you something. This locomotive uses hydrogen power instead of diesel. There might be quite a few pipes or tanks, and the second driver's cabin is similar to the one we just went to. This is where the crane will move to lift the container from one side to the other. From an aerial view, it can be seen that the railway line with electric wires along the sides belongs to the function. As for railways without electrified lines, that would be another country. The crane will move the container to another train. I'll take my leave now. Goodbye.